Well, with that, let's give you the latest picture coming in from the national capital with regards to air pollution, which continues to be in the severe category as Delhi once again woke up to a grey morning as the air quality levels continued to stay in the severe category with no relief in sight for the residents. A thick smog covered Delhi, leading to poor visibility across multiple locations. The AQI in locations like Anand Vihar, Rohini and Mundka were in severe category, which is of course not within the permissible limits or not advisable for conducive rather for breathing. That is the level that the air quality is in right now. AQI across other areas continue to stay at a very poor level as NCR residents continue to breathe toxic air. Meanwhile, Delhi Police Commissioner says strict action will be taken against anyone found bursting crackers or selling crackers till 30th November. Remember, NGT has given an order banning use and sale of crackers for the entire month of November.
इस वर्ष प्रदूषण को ध्यान में रखते हुए पटाखों की सेल या इस्तेमाल दोनों वर्जित है। इसके लिए सख्त कानूनी प्रावधान किया गया है। जो कोई भी पटाखों का इस्तेमाल या सेल करता हुआ पाया जाएगा, उसके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी। हमने हर एक पुलिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक टीम की गठन की है जो एरिया में जाकर के इंस्पेक्शन करते हैं। जितने भी लाइसेंस इशूड हैं वे सारे निरस्त कर दिए गए हैं, सस्पेंड कर दिए गए हैं। 30 तारीख तक ना तो कोई सेल हो सकता है, ना किसी पटाखे का इस्तेमाल हो सकता है।
My colleague Alok Singh joining me from the national capital. Alok, where exactly are you? If you can show us around, even though it's well into the morning, it's close to 11 o'clock. But I believe it's visibly hazy and smoggy. But you can just talk us through the pictures that you have around you and what the residents of Delhi are having to put up with.
Yes, Frida, right now I'm standing in the, excuse me, this ring road area, and this is ring road which I am showing it to you near Indraprasth, and in fact behind me this is anti-smog gun. This is just on the working condition, and if you see the side that working, that anti-smog gun is spraying these water particles towards the environment, towards the vehicles. Remember, vehicular movement is also contributing the pollution. So this way, and in fact this is a construction site as well. There is an underpass that is being constructed over here. So that's why anti-smog gun is placed over here. But the question is still remains that how much these kinds of anti-smog guns or these kinds of measures are benefiting the environment. Because remember, yesterday in fact, Frida, the AQI level had reached around 60, around 600. That is more than severe. It had already crossed the severe category. And today, because of the movement of the winds, the pollution level has decreased a little bit and it has reached to the very poor category. But in the coming days, it may again go to the severe or more than the worst condition because of the climatic condition. And yes, continuous stubble burning is still going on in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. So definitely the pollution level will remain high in the coming days as well. But right now some measures are being taken by the government, but these are not much benefiting to the people. Back to you.
All right, the measures that are taken as the damage control is not proving to be sufficient. AQI levels are in severe category in most locations. Thanks for joining us, Alok, with the updates from the national capital. And that's it for now. News and updates continue on the other side. Do stay with us and also visit us on our website, mirrornownews.com. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Telegram for more updates. Thanks for watching.